Good morning, physicists. We are descending 175 meters beneath Geneva into the Large Hadron Collider, the only facility like this in the universe. Today, we will be colliding four newly discovered particles in order to discover their antiparticle counterparts. If you succeed, you will receive a fellowship grant in order to live and stay at the LHC. So, let's begin. Let me show you how to use the LHC. I've set up a detection grid. In the center is an equation. This is the equation that we are hoping will prove the existence of our antiparticles. There are four steps. The first step is acceleration, in which we will take turns accelerating particles into our detection grid. The next step is collision, in which we follow the cinder equation until we either exit the grid or we encounter a loop. In this case, starting from the center, we encounter a loop. The third step is creation. We determine if we've created an antiparticle. The equation that we are hoping creates an antiparticle is x to a excluding y. In this case, we first encounter an x, a wild particle, and then A. So we have, in fact, created an antiparticle. Step 4, detection. We've successfully created an antiparticle, but we have to detect where it is. First, you remove the particles involved in the equation, including the center equation. Next, we reveal one of the particles to be an antiparticle. Finally, we remove two more particles from our detection grid in order to set up the next experiment. Had this been a failed experiment, I could optionally replace the center equation with another particle's equation, like so. In either case, I get to choose four particles to remove from the grid in order to replace them next round. At this point comes peer review. You show the other scientist the cards that you've removed from your equation in order for them to know what goes into the draw pile. After peer review, reset your equations if necessary and begin again. The game ends immediately when a scientist has 5 antiparticles in their detection grid. That scientist wins.